notification that he had just bonded out sometime early last week. And I have been trying to reach him since then with the contact information that I have for him, mailing address, email address. The phone number that we have for him does not go through. And I have not heard from him, and I have not been able to make contact with him since I learned of that, I believe, mid last week. I can offer the court nothing else in terms of his whereabouts or his intentions.
I'm hesitant to issue a bench warrant because I asked him if it was okay with him if we did a remote sentencing. And so he has never received any alternative instructions or arrangements. He hasn't shown up in person, but then again, we never talked about an in-person sentencing. So I feel like, in all fairness, I have to reset this and give you a chance to provide notice to your client, Mr. Austin.
Yes, Your Honor, I would appreciate that, Your Honor.
And I think you're going to have to instruct him to make an in-person appearance.
In person to the court?
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, I will do that.
Okay, then thank you. That will conclude that hearing. That's all for the record. I'll get you a new date, Mr. Austin. I just don't have it right now, but my
Okay,
office
thank you.
Okay. And then you have Mr. Newhall as well. Or no, you don't. Brian Jackson is calling in.
Dawn?
Okay, so now we are up to People of the State of Michigan versus Cody Newhall, docket number 20-669FH. And Mr. Newhall, you're here today because a bench warrant was issued when you failed to appear for a pretrial conference in my courtroom back in October of last year. And you are represented by counsel on this, Mr. Jackson, who's present. And Mr. Jackson, did you want to speak to bond or anything else?
Yes, Your Honor. Is it possible to have a breakout room with Mr. Newhall?
It is. I have a really full docket this afternoon and I'm running a little bit behind, but I'd be glad to put you in a breakout room. And I might have to go ahead and do other hearings. So if you rejoin us and I'm in the middle of something, just sit tight, okay?